HP docking station with dual link DVI, product number EN488AA, disassembly and troubleshooting charging. To take the dock apart, you're going to need a T8 Torx bit. With just this one bit, you should be able to take apart all the outer shell screws that are holding the shell together. I'm first going to untighten the screws and then use just the bit to screw out the screws from the bottom. If you're having charging issues with your laptop when using the dock, please make sure that you're using the 120 watt adapter made specifically for the dock. If you're using the 90 watt adapter that normally comes with the laptop, more than likely that is your issue. On the back side of the device, we have 3 more screws that we need to remove. Now that all the screws that are holding the device together have been removed, we should be able to pry apart the case. You need to be careful though, when prying apart the case, there's 2 cables that might snap if you are too rough. If you have angled forceps, they will help you greatly in taking these 2 leads out. And here we can see the first cable. It is kind of hard to see what the second cable is because of the location of this cable, but once we get the cover off, we're going to see where it is. And we can see it here. One of the most common things that can break in one of these docks is a single lead. Which we can see here, circled in red. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.